In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your photo background easily and totally for free without having you to subscribe to any Canva Pro account, and you also do not need to use any Adobe, Photoshop and etc. Alright, so let me show you how to do that step by step. Alright, now let us go to remove.bg. So key in remove.bg and click on this remove background from image. Here is where you want to drag and drop your image. You see, drop your image anywhere, just drag and drop and done. See the magic? But you can only download this HD only once. If you want to download more HD, you will need to pay for it. So for the first time for downloading for HD, you will need to actually sign up for free to get this one free credit. With another alternative way, if you do not want to limit to this one credit, you can use what we call Photopea. Alright, so key in Photopea, tap enter, click on Photopea online photo editor, click on that, and you will come to this page. Just click on close. Alright, all you're going to do is drag and drop your image like this, and here you want to look for this magic wand. So you click on the magic wand. Here you can adjust the tolerance. So here you can put to 50 or you're going to put to 100. So for this case, you're going to put to 100, and then we click on this brown background, which is the one that I want to remove. So I'm going to click on that and just tap on delete on my keyboard. Delete, and now you have a transparent background. Alright, you can do that the same for your text as well, like this. You can remove them one by one if you want. Voila. So this is how you remove your photo background. Alright, so with Photopea, you can remove background unlimited times. There is no limit compared to remove.bg. Alright, so that is all for this video. This is 101, and I'll see you in the next one.